Today we'll talk about how can you disable connection loss notifications on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just click here on options, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on notifications, you just click on it here. Then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here, come here to connection loss, click in this sign. Then like you see, so when you click on it, like you see this sign show for us, that's mean connection loss notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.